My name is Aiden Veldman. I'm a second year at Mitchell Tech. I'm in the natural gas program this year, and I did power line last year for a utilities degree. It's a combination between two utilities, and it combines, and it just kind of shows certain utilities that you have that education in both fields and makes other companies more interested in you.
My name is Tori Holland. I'm in the Utilities Technology program here in Mitchell Tech. I knew lots of guys that had come here for the power line program, so I initially came here for that, thinking that I was just going to come for the 1 year, finish it quick and go home. But after seeing what they do over here and, noticing that, hey, this is very useful in my line of work, that it would be very useful to go back another year.
I believe the Utilities Technology degree will help me prepare for my future and give me a beneficial career.
This compared to a university, it's more like a job. You're here to learn and to get out. That's the whole point of it, is to learn your stuff so you can be employed. I would recommend Mitchell Tech to anyone just because there's so many different programs. You can either be outside all the time, you can be inside all the time. It just depends on what you like. Mitchell Tech has prepared me for my future.
I'm being my best at Mitchell Tech.
I'm being my best at Mitchell Tech.